Hey there, today we are here to look at the soldering mat for electronics. Now this soldering mat for electronics is amazing. First of all, it comes with 7 different accessory zones. It has 3 magnetic zones, 1 tool zone, and 70 components for screws, small parts, and tools, keeping your workbench tidy, preventing items from rolling off or getting lost. This is amazing. It also comes with a metric and imperial ruler right here on the bottom. You're able to see that. So you're able to measure everything. You have everything you need to set yourself up for success with this smoldering mat and electronic repairs pad. Its easy access compartments save time and make smoldering and reasonably quick and hassle-free. It's made from a premium soft silicone that endures temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. It also provides a non-scratch surface to protect your electronics and shield your workbench from heating damage caused by heat guns or smoldering irons. It comes with a high level elasticity, which makes it so it won't easily deform, and it's really easy to store when you're finished with it. You're able to easily just fold it if you need to. You can roll it up and store it. It's really easy, simple, and it is going to last you for a really long time. At 13.78 by 9.84 inches, it provides ample workspace to work on various electronic devices such as computers, iPads, watches, glasses, RC drones. So many different opportunities for you to be able to work on this, and it's a practical gift for DIY enthusiasts, technicians, and professionals alike. Its non-slip surface makes it easy to clean with water or alcohol, and it has a built-in metric and imperial ruler like I showed you earlier. This comes with a lifetime warranty. Please contact us and we will respond within 24 hours to any questions. I've told you all about it. It's amazing. I love the color. I love that I'm not going to be scratching the surface of my workbench. I love that as I put my electronics on there, like my computer or anything like that, I don't have to worry about the workbench scratching that up or stress about anything else. It's going to make my life really nice and amazing as I'm outside working on my different gadgets, as I'm fixing things up, as I'm trying to reconstruct new things. It's going to make that a dream and a cinch. Now, as I said, right here on the side, it even has them labeled. We have magnetic zone, a part zone, a magnetic zone, parts zone. So it has everything labeled for you, so you are going to know exactly what is where. Here's some more part zones. And so it just labels everything out, making it really nice and easy to work with. You know exactly where to put your screws or anything like that to keep them from rolling around in the magnetic zone. You know where to put the parts to keep those separately from each other. So we just drop that down. It locks into the magnetic zone. Really nice and easy. You are going to make sure your projects are going to be running smoothly as we work on fixing up our different electronics, working on your glasses, or whatever DIY projects you might have in mind. And so we're able to just simply unscrew it, drop that in the magnet zone. It sticks right down. That is not going to be rolling around or anything like that. You'll know exactly where to go to grab that when you're ready to put your computer back together or whatever gadget you're working on, whether it's a computer, a robot, a drone, anything like that. It makes it really slick, easy. They just snap into place. You are not going to be losing or missing those parts. You'll know exactly where they are. They're not going to be lost or anything else. I'm so excited to have this mat to be able to work with. It's going to be great out of my garage on my workbench to be able to protect my workbench, but also protect my electronics or the devices that I will be working on.